Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing the scene and adding your first object. Open Blender and pick the layout workspace so tools are visible. Then, if the default cube is in the way, delete it or keep it. Press Shift+A to add mesh and select a primitive, for example, cube, plane, or cylinder. Once added, use G to move, R to rotate, S to scale. Make sure to left-click to confirm transforms. These initial steps get you into direct modeling quickly, so you can shape the object. Once the mesh is in place, switch to edit mode by pressing Tab and choose vertex, edge, or face selection with 1, 2, or 3. Start shaping. Press E to extrude faces outward, I to inset details, and Ctrl+R for loop cuts to add geometry where you need it. Make sure to use modifiers like mirror for symmetry and subdivision surface for smoothness so you can iterate non-destructively. As you work, toggle wireframe or X-ray to see internal geometry, and use proportional editing when you need softer deformations. To finish, apply transforms with Ctrl+A to freeze scale and rotation, and set the object origin to geometry for predictable pivot behavior. Use Shade Smooth and enable Auto Smooth with an angle that preserves hard edges, or apply your modifiers if you need a final mesh. Save or export in the required format. If something looks wrong, make sure faces are oriented correctly. Select the mesh and press Shift+N to recalculate normals outward. That single troubleshooting step fixes most shading and lighting issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.